Hello students, I hope you all are well and safe at your home. Let's start today's session. This session for class 3rd, subject science, chapter 2, our 4th from second term book. Lecture number 2 and topic will be raw food, cooked food, healthy food, habits, and we will do question answer in notebook. Raw means कच्चा. बिना पका हुआ. As you know, we mostly eat fruits raw. If you think a while, you will find that there are some vegetables also that we eat raw. जिन्हें हम कच्चा खा सकते हैं, जैसे कैरेट, radish, cucumber, onion, etc. But the point to note is that we should wash these fruits and vegetables properly before eating them. ध्यान देने वाली बात कौन सी बताई? बात यह है कि हमें इन फलों और सब्जियों को खाने से पहले अच्छी तरह से धोना चाहिए. Now, as you can see on the screen, there is a tomato, cabbage, cucumber, capsicum, carrot and sugar beets. You can eat all these vegetables raw. Next topic is cooking food. Now, some food we eat raw and some cook it. Does it know why we cook? Because some of them are very hard, such as rice, pulses, wheat. Yes, my dear students, we cannot be digested eaten raw. अगर हम कच्चा खा भी लेते हैं तो हम आसानी से पचा नहीं सकते. And some of are the tasteless, like potato, beans, brinjal, लेडी फिंगर. आप सोचोगे तो आपको बहुत सारी याद आ जाएंगी. वी कैन eat them only after cooking. We can eat them only after cooking. Are you getting my point? Means खाना पकाने से भोजन पचने में आसान और स्वादिष्ट बनता है. Cooking makes the food soft, easy to digest and tasty. Yes, my dear students, it also kills the germs which present in raw food. And the important thing, we should not overcook the food. Has anyone thought, why should we not overcook the food? Listen carefully. Overcooking destroys the vitamins and quality of the food. ओवरकुकिंग विटामिन और भोजन की गुणवत्ता को नष्ट कर देती है. सो शुड वी ओवरकुक द फूड? नो. तो अब तक हमने क्या पढ़ा है? I have taught you till now what is raw food, what is cooked food, why do we cook food, and what is harm from overcooking. Now we will discuss about healthy food habits. A good diet alone cannot give us healthy life. What should we do? We should always follow some good food habits. हमें हमेशा कुछ अच्छे खाने की आदतों का पालन करना चाहिए. Do you know what good food habits are? Let's read about them one by one. Wash your hands with soap and water before and after taking food to remove the germs which may cause disease. आपको अपने हाथ साबुन और पानी से धोने चाहिए, खाना खाने से पहले भी और खाना खाने के बाद में भी. Why should you wash your hands before and after eating food? Yes, my dear students, we should wash our hands with soap and water before and after eating food to remove the germs which may cause disease. Now, second point, cut your nail short and keep them clean. You may fall sick if you eat with hands having a long and dirty nails. अगर आप लंबे गंदे नाखूनों से अपना भोजन करेंगे तो आप बीमार पड़ सकते हैं. Means you have to cut your nails on time and keep them clean also. Otherwise you may fall sick. Now next point is, don't drink or eat in unclean utensils. Also, don't share your plate or tumbler while eating your food. इस पॉइंट में हमें बताया गया है कि गंदे बर्तनों में जो अच्छे से साफ धुले हुए नहीं होते उसमें खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए और ना ही पानी पीना चाहिए। एंड अपना भोजन करते समय अपनी थाली या गिलास को भी शेयर नहीं करना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज, डोंट ईट फूड which has been kept uncovered. ऐसा ना खाएं जिसे खुले में रखा गया हो। Why uncovered food? Why? Uncovered food attracts the fly which deposit germs on the food. खुला खाना मक्खियों को आकर्षित करता है और मक्खियाँ इधर उधर बैठ के जर्म्स इकट्ठा कर लेती हैं और खुले खाने पर छोड़ देती हैं। यस माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी शुड नॉट ईट अनकवर्ड फूड। नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज, take only the amount of food in your plate that you can eat. हमें अपने प्लेट में उतना ही भोजन लेना चाहिए जितना हम खा सकते हैं। What will happen if you do this? ऐसा करने से हमारा खाना वेस्ट नहीं होगा। Don't waste any food. Number 6, don't overeat, it will make you sick. 6 पॉइंट में सिक्स पॉइंट हमें कहता है कि हमें ज़्यादा खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए। ज़्यादा खाना खाने से हम बीमार पड़ सकते हैं। वी शुड नॉट ईट मच फूड। ईटिंग टू मच फूड कैन मेक अस सिक। नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज, don't be fussy about food. तो आपको ये नहीं करना चाहिए कि मम्मा ये सब्जी नहीं खाऊंगा, वह सब्जी नहीं खाऊंगा। आपको सारी सब्जी खानी चाहिए, सारे फ्रूट्स खाने चाहिए। यू हैव अंडरस्टूड इन दिस चैप्टर दैट every food items have some nutrients, so you have to eat all vegetables and fruit as they contain important nutrients. Next point is, chew your food properly before swallowing it. Why? Because eating food without chewing may cause stomach ache. बिना चबाकर खाने से आपके पेट में दर्द हो सकता है। What should you do? आपको अपना खाना चबा चबा कर खाना चाहिए। Next point is, sit at one place while eating your food. Don't run or move about while eating or drinking something. The food may choke the windpipe and stop breathing. Means आपको अपना खाना एक जगह बैठकर खाना चाहिए। इधर उधर खाना घूमकर खाने से आपके फूड पाइप में खाना फंस सकता है और आपको सांस लेने में भी दिक्कत हो सकती है। Now next is, rinse your mouth with water after eating. आपको कुछ भी खाना खाने के बाद में पानी से कुल्ला कर लेना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट, टू स्टे हेल्दी A balanced diet should be combined with exercise and rest. आपको स्वस्थ रहने के लिए बैलेंस डाइट लेनी चाहिए, एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए और साथ में आराम भी करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज गिव प्रॉपर रेस्ट टू योर बॉडी एंड माइंड. आपको अपने शरीर और दिमाग को उचित आराम देना चाहिए. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू डू क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. सो ओपन योर नोटबुक. First you have to make format to write down here date, then day. Whenever you do this work you have to mention according to that day, date and day. And now here write down C.W classwork. Now in middle you have to write lesson number. Lesson number is 2 from second term. And here chapter name are food. Here write down question answer. Question number 1. Question number 1 is how is food important for human beings? Answer is food is needed for maintenance, repair, and growth of our body. Food help food food help not beta keep food keeps us healthy and provides energy. Required. The answer is food is needed for maintenance, repair and growth of our body. Food keeps us healthy and provides energy required. Now write down question number 2. Write the names of main nutrients required by our body. Answer is carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins, and minerals. These are the main nutrients required by our body. The next question is, what is a BALANCED balanced diet? Answer: a diet which has all the nutrients in proper amount is called a balanced diet. Next question. In what way is the cooking of food useful? Answer is cooking makes the food soft, easy to digest, and tasty. It also kills the germs present in the raw food. Next question. Why should we avoid it's with a avoid, how to write? AVOID, avoid our cooking of food. Answer is our cooking of food destroys vitamins and quality of the foods. It's your question answer. Now note down your homework in book, page number 16. We fill in the blanks with the help of words given in the box. Complete balanced diet: food, water, meat, eggs. Now number 1. Dash and dash are the two food items we get from animals. Second, we need dash to live. Number 3, we should drink 6-8 glasses of dash every day. Have you remembered what I have told you? Think about. Now I am reading number 4. A dash contains all the nutrients in proper amount. 5th, milk is known as a dash food. Memorize the whole lesson in your mind and then you have to do. I hope you will be able to do fill in the blanks easily. See A part, tick write the correct answers. ये आपका होमवर्क दिया हुआ था. Let's check. First, body building food contains A carbohydrates, B protein, C fat, D rugged. So right answer is protein. Next, fruits and vegetables are energy giving food, B. bodybuilding food, C. protective food, D. none of these. The right answer is protective food. Third number, it is an example of milk product. A. oil, B. butter, C. potato, D. meat. The right answer is? Yes, the right answer is butter. So, subscribe this channel if you like my video, that it is lecture. Goodbye. Thank you.